Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening the image and confirming its mode so color handling stays correct. Next, make sure the layer you'll resize is unlocked and selected. If it's a floating selection, anchor or convert it to a normal layer. Once done, decide whether you need to scale the whole canvas or just the active layer, because these are separate operations in Gimp, and choosing the right one prevents unwanted cropping or empty space later. You'll use Image Scale Image when you want to change the entire image size. For only one layer, use Layer Scale Layer. In the dialog, unlink the chain icon to enter non-proportional dimensions, or keep it linked to preserve aspect ratio. Also pick an interpolation method. Cubic or no halo yield better quality for most resizes. Make sure to set X and Y resolution if you're preparing for print. Finally, click Scale and inspect the result before proceeding to sharpening or export. You finish by sharpening lightly if the resized image looks soft. Unsharp mask works well with small radius and modest amount. Save an XCF copy to retain layers and non-destructive edits, then export as PNG or JPEG for delivery. If the output shows artifacts or excessive blurring, undo and rescale using a different interpolation method or perform the resize in smaller increments. This troubleshooting approach.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.